Invest in training, not just hiring. Frustrated ka na ba kasi ang bagal matuto ng new hires mo? Feeling mo ba they should just figure it out on their own? Let me tell you what Martin and Shell discovered sa kanilang printing services business. Yung struggle ni Martin sa mga bagong employees niya, totoo yun, no? Pag may bagong hire, sasabihin ni Martin, sige, mag-observe ka lang tapos matututo ka na. Walang proper onboarding, walang training. Kaya ang bagal, bago maging productive ang bagong tao. Tapos si Martin, frustrated. Bakit ba ang bagal matuto? But the truth, hindi sila mabagal. Wala lang structured na training. Kaya sabi ni Shell sa kanya, Love, what if we create a training program? Kahit simple lang. And so, they did. They asked me for advice and I helped them do that. They created a 2-week onboarding program. And after 2 weeks, may evaluation na. Tapos, regular na. And guess what, anak? Yung mga bagong hires, they became productive in half the time. Turnover decreased kasi people felt supported. Hindi lang yung tinapon sila sa chaos. And si Martin, he stopped feeling frustrated na kasi he saw improvement happening consistently. Kaya anak, remember this. If you want a strong team, wag lang mag-hire ng tao tapos mag-hope na they can figure it out. Invest time in training them well. Konting oras sa upfront. You can save a lot of months of frustrations later. So, create a simple onboarding checklist for new hires. Even if it is just a 1-page document, it will make a huge difference, anak. Promise. Kaya, anak, if you are feeling trapped sa negosyo mo, like you cannot step away, tandaan mo ito. The goal of building a business is not to work harder forever. It is to build something that works even without you. And that starts with trusting your people. Not blindly, pero may systems, structure, at saka suporta. Stop micromanaging and start empowering. Your business will thank you for it. Your team will thank you as well. And your sanity, nako, magiging okay na rin yan, anak. Take the first step today. Choose one area. Apply just one shift. You don't have to change everything overnight. Just start somewhere. Because a business that depends only on you, that's not a business, anak. That's a job. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.